over my next door neighbor, they just asked me to pick some jelly. And then I saw this banana here ripening away. Right? So I'm gonna take down this banana. Look at it, can you see? Ripening away. Let's see if I can bring it down with one hand. No, not one hand of banana, with one hand, because one hand is holding the camera. The other hand is, somebody's gonna say, no man, that's not the way you chop it, you shouldn't chop it like that. And then I've got on white shirt as well. So don't ask me why I came to the bush dressed up in my white shirt, but there you go. Alright, so I gave him a little start there. Hold on to some dry trash, and I'm gonna encourage it to come over this side, because as you can see on that side there, we've got another banana plant that's coming up. So encourage it to come over this side here. Might have to give him another little bit of chop. Right? With me hooky lass. Yeah. Alright, give him another little chop there, so. And hope that none of this thing don't come and stain up my white shirt. Alright then. I remember the first time I went to bush with my brethren, brother, right, here it comes. And I went straight through the plant, zoom, and the whole thing came crashing down. Alright, so this is the nice and easy, nice and gentle way to do it. Yeah. Alright. Take time, bow down. Feels like it's just snapped out, so yeah. See it snap there? There. So we're gonna give him a cut. Yep. So there you are. Nice bunch of banana. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 hands. Alright, that's it folks.